Hey everyone, welcome back to Slime Rancher 2. It's me, LA Ice, and honestly, we're just gonna hop right into it today. Now, I have not gotten on the game since last time I played in last video. And I've done my best to not check out any of the info, so I don't know about any of the other slimes or anything like that. I apparently have some jellystone here, so I'm going to quickly dump that in there. And check this. Now, I was thinking that I would try to kind of... There's not really much I can build right now, is there? I could get the cotton plorts together for that. And I'm actually gonna put that right there. So now I don't have to go downstairs. There we go. Go ahead and just toss all those in there. I'm sure they'll be useful. Now, last time on the map, we found this pink slime right here. And while I'm not sure if there's going to be any, like, slime keys in this game or not, pink slimes will eat anything. So I've decided, we already busted open the phosphorus one. Let's go pop the pink one. There we go. I think I have enough. I am bad at navigating this world. Hello, cotton slimes. Grab whatever materials I can find along the way. Is it this one? Yeah, let's go this way. What was that? Huh. Little underground area down there. Hello, Tabby. Okay, so it's this way. Okay. There he is. Okay, he got a lot bigger than I expected. Ah. Wait, what's this? A geyser? Okay. Not sure if that's helpful. Huh? Wait, what's that? Okay. What? Well, I didn't get a slime key, but I'm not entirely sure what this is. Ember Valley. I feel like I should go back. I'm gonna jump back in the portal. What happens if I go back here? That's a cute little slime. Okay, so I can teleport back and forth fairly easily. Yeah, these are not super important. I'm gonna go to the Ember Valley and let's see what we can find here. More pink slimes. Pink slimes are everywhere. What was that? Oh, this looks beautiful. There's some tabbies. Carrots. More tabbies. Where am I on the map? Okay, so that's the... Okay. Well, that's good to know. More hens. Nope. There's another geyser. That's cool. Okay, and... Oh, a heartbeat. Oh, that's interesting and new for, well, for this run anyway. Okay, another GG log. I know I'm on a mission here, but that hasn't changed anything about these geysers. They're still fun as heck. Okay. I think I can afford a few minutes for a splash, like the old days. Okay, so that's telling me to play with the geysers. There's a tar over there. And a map. Okay, that's the odd onion discovered. How do you get up there? Huh? Whoa! Okay, apparently that's how. Okay, so I got the first zone of the map cleared. What is that? I will find out later. Ah! Okay, each of these guys seem... Get rid of those tars. And I found a rocky slime. I wish I had the... Okay, that was delayed effect. Ooh, there's apparently angry slimes in there. Oh, what's in here? This getting interesting. And we're in a volcano. Ooh, is that a boom? Booms and crystal slimes. Oh, it got away. That was a gold slime there. Primordial oil. Ooh, radiant. I feel at home here. When I traveled across the glass desert, it was caves just like this one that gave me shelter and allowed me to survive my trek. Just feeling walls around me and solid ground beneath my feet gave me all the security I needed to close my eyes and make it through another night. But I can do without some of it. Like if I ever even smell roasted cactus again, I'm pretty sure I'd barf. Interesting. Wait, is that a fire slime? It is. I don't have the means to deal with a fire slime right now. I shouldn't. I'm gonna leave you behind too. Wait, what are Batty Gordo? What the heck is a Batty? I guess you're a new Gordo type that I've not met. Okay, I'm getting very lost in these caves. I need to find my way back out. Preferably before I explode. I think this is more... Yes, it is. That's great. Okay, I got it. Okay, you are a Batty Boom Largo. That means... Oh! Oh, that's cool. A fiendish stalker of the night, hungering always for fruit. So it's a fruit bat. Oh, and it's a night guy, so it's not going to like being out in the daytime. Okay, that's interesting. And this puts me back here. This area seems really dangerous. Oh! Okay. Later, dudes. There's a lot of you. Yep. I had a feeling that was going to be the case. Lava dust. I feel like I need to go that way, but I feel like I can't go that way. Ah! Okay, I feel like I should head back. I don't have any, like, new slimes, but I do have some new food to put in. Which should help at least a little bit. I've seen a few new slimes. Am I going the right way? Yeah, I'm going the right way. Oh, there's the portal. Wait, what are you? That didn't... Oh. Okay, well, you guys look terrifying. Angler slime. Interesting. Okay, so now I have a little bit of an idea on where to find anglers. I'll get out of here. Anglers look so cool. I'm gonna need like 1,000,000 pens now. Silky sand. Actually, no. Heartbeats are cool, but odd onion is more rare. So I'm going to take the odd onion. And, ooh, there's more of this. I'm going to get out of here. Okay, we're back at base, sort of. Yeah, base is this way. Go ahead and do that. As I try to make it all the way back to base. Oh, there it is. Yeah, I know I'm bad at directions. Everyone's gonna tell me that. I've been told that my entire life. I'm bad at directions. But at least we're here. And I have an odd onion. Which I've got 2 corrals there. I feel like that area would be better for gardens. So for the time being, I'm gonna put a garden up here. And just get the onions growing for now. Oh, a lot more of the... Oh, those were already lit up. Let's sleep till morning. I like the little honey slime mug. That's cute. Go ahead and feed all these guys the cube berries. Feed all these guys their lettuce. And activate the vacuums. Suck up everything. And I'm actually going to sell this load so that I can try to up the amount of cash I have. It's 2,100. Is that enough to buy the next thing? I think it's this one. Yeah, this is the area, because that looks like a cave down there. This area looks really cool. I kind of like that area. But this looks like it could be 2 different areas. or one big area. So I'm going to get this one. And it costs 1,800. Okay, we unlocked the next zone. And what's in here? Oh, this place is gorgeous. Okay, let's see here. Oh, interesting. Okay, so the tide pools is 3,500, so yeah, there's a secondary area down there. We'll mess with that when we can't afford to mess with that. For the meantime, we've got this zone. This area is probably going to end up being my garden. So I'm going to like start by adding in that one. And I've used up most of the money I had, which is going to be fine because I'll get more money from them. But I'm going to come out here and I guess I'll start with the odd onion because that's the one that we're not really using. Okay, I can't demolish the plot because I don't have enough florts or new bucks or whatever. Can I go up there? What is up there? Okay, so you definitely can get up here. Now, why would you? Oh! Oh, there's another one of these! I had the drones rebuild the conservatory exactly as it was before. I was so happy to see it standing there again. Its glass filtering the beautiful daylight of this magical place. When it was done, for a moment, I almost thought things were back to normal. I thought maybe I would just walk inside and start again like nothing had happened. And though I know that's not the case, it was still so nice to finally be home again. Okay, that's cool. What happens if I go this way now? Ah! Put the odd onion there. Okay, and there's a lot of chickens in here, so I guess chickens spawn regularly in here. That'll be a good source of chickens then. Let's check the comms unit. See who wants to talk. Oh. Well now, if it isn't Beatrix LeBlanc. Oh, Hobby and I were just talking about you. Word is you went off to parts unknown of this here rock with a thirst for new adventure. Atta girl. You just keep on walking to see what's new wonders are around the next corner till your boots have holes, and then get yourself some new boots and do it some more. Me, well, my boots have seen better days, but I know there's still an adventure or two left in them. I suppose I just need to figure out what. Ah, heck. I'm rambling just like Hobson does after he gets to talking about exploring the cosmos, cooking, or pretty much any other topic. Alright, Bay. You hang in there. I'll be calling to check in on you. Doesn't matter who you are, we all start feeling it when home is beyond the horizon. Before I forget, here's a little something for you to spruce up your new place. It ain't much, but you need to do what you can to make that place feel cozy. A taming bell. Okay. Hey, Bay, those drones you've been finding all over the island, there's something weird about them. Hey, I got eyes in the sky, and I'm gonna use them. Yeah, your weird secret spy satellites. I'm also readying a team of drones to head over there and check things out in a more hands-on fashion, but I digress. Anyway, that drone seems super advanced, like almost alien. And so I thought, okay, there's some aliens out there checking out Rainbow Island, just like you. But no, I don't think so. Because it looks like the drones we use, but so much more familiar to me. Almost like it's giving me deja vu. It's kind of creepy. Hey, don't be scared. It's probably just aliens. Giant Three-headed aliens with huge claws that are looking for humans to capture or eat, or both. Gee, thanks. Later, bae. Oh, I want to smack her. Sometimes I just want to smack her. Okay, let's see if I can get some more plorts here and see if I can get any more cash. Because right now that's what I'm lacking is the cash. And the inventory. Okay, that gave me a little bit extra. What is the upgrades at again? I always forget. In particular, the extra tank. Silky sand and rock plorts. Well, if I get a rock slime, I could actually do that. It has another little dot under it, and I don't know why I can't do that. Okay, more radiant ore will get me the jetpack. I do really want that. Angler plorts, deep brine, puddle plorts. I haven't seen any puddle slimes. Crystal I've seen. I still don't know what a heck a flutter is. And I've seen boom. So I'll probably go back across there, grab some boom slimes, some rock slimes, maybe angler, and I guess I could grab a baddie slime. I don't see any need for baddie slimes yet, but if I find them, I'll definitely grab a few. Oh, but what does the Slimepedia say about them? Okay, so they like meat. And I guess that's like a pigeon thing? They like veggies, and they like the heartbeat. I actually knew that one. Their diet is fruit, but they like... I'm not sure what that one is. Boom slice, they like the hens. Odd onion for the crystal slime. I do have some of those growing, but they're not great for that. Fire slimes, which diet it is from the incinerator. Okay, what I should probably do is grab these two and this one and maybe the... I need to get the rock slimes and the baddie slimes, definitely. And probably the crystal slimes. And I'll combine those with the angler slimes so that the anglers are mixed with something that doesn't eat meat. And I'll probably make the boom slimes mixed with the rock slimes. Oh, wait, I probably don't have the cash for it, but let's quickly go check the home portal. Because home portal seems like that would be helpful. Or maybe some other portal. Any sort of teleportation seems better than running all the way across the map. Okay, so that's cotton and whatever flutter is. Tone of the curious bell will calm the anger of any feral slime that hears it. Okay. Portable water tap. That's neat. Okay. Jellystone, deep brine. That's actually all I need. I could gather those real quick and then make this. It is one-way travel, which is a little annoying. Screw it. We'll build it later. It's a one-way thing, so I'm not going to worry about it. I'm gonna quickly feed my slimes up again. And then I'm gonna head back to the new island. As I remember how to do that. I'm getting better about it, though. Oh, you looked weird. Yeah, kind of... They were put in a place where I couldn't not get those. That was too easy to get. Okay, let's teleport. And this one's going to be a slime collecting run. Because right now, that's what we need. That's a phosphorus slime. Wait, why is the phosphorus slime still out? Isn't it daytime? Oh, well, even if it is daytime. Let's see if we can get an angler. I don't need the plorts, just the slimes currently. I grabbed a few anglers. Fire those away. Tars seem to be a little bit of a common occurrence here. Yeah, I'm heading in the right direction to go back to the teleporter. I know I said this was for a run for slimes, but quickly snag the teleporter. And seeing how things seem to stay here, which is expected, I'm going to launch those there so that I can get the jetpack later. Phosphorus. The number of tars has gotten a little ridiculous here. Okay, found another entrance to the spooky caves. Don't really have anyway. Snag the baddie slime. Oh, I guess I could toss him down there. Wait a second. That's a boom slime slot, isn't it? Wait, where am I? Okay, so I went the wrong way. But whatever, I found a new kind of area here. I'm not going to gather that. Hold on to this heartbeat for the moment. haven't found any rock slimes this time. Well, not any that weren't already Giganto. Let's go in here and see if there's any more baddie slimes around. The baddie slime looks really cool. Okay, well, I just got a golden slime. Oh, there's a rock slime right there. Hey, puddle slimes. I don't need a puddle slime right now. Oh, do not want to drop down there. In fact, do not want to be around here at all. Oh, that looks cool. Ah, that's not good. Later. I need jetpack. Let's try to get out of this cave. Got a few crystal slimes, got a few baddie slimes, I got a gold plort. That's going to be a huge boost because the gold plorts are worth quite a bit of money. So now I just have to do something pretty difficult. Okay, so I'm back here. I'm going to drop down. Yeah, I'm going to go this way. Wait. Ringtail? Pink Largo? What the heck's a ringtail? Have I gotten this one before? Yep, that's about the fun geysers. I don't know what the heck a ringtail slime is. I haven't seen that one yet. Let's go. Let's go home. Okay, good. Those. Well, that's been interesting. I did not know about the teleporter. I did not know about... Well, I have seen a little bit of the slime stuff. I during the previews for the game, though I tried to avoid it, but the slimes are amazingly cool. And for now, I think I'm going to call it there. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Catch you later.